Sing it again. Sing. Boy, you dance good. Sing. Sing loud. Oh, you guys are so... Very easy, honey. He wants so bad to just love.
Look, he got me 12 kisses.
He gave you 12 kisses?
Yeah, he loves me very much.
He does?
Yeah, he's so happy to see me, huh?
He is very happy to see you.
I know. When I told him, look at what he did. He got me kisses.
Oh, that's so cute.
Chico's so glad to see me, huh?
Yes, he loves his Kyler.
Whoa, Chico's there, huh? He's telling Mama, huh?
Yeah, he's coming to his mama.
He knows me, huh?
He does know you.
Sing to him.
Bumba.
Wait, did you tell him I love you?
I just said, Bumba.
But did you say I love you?
I love you, Chico.
Say I.
I love you. I love you, Chico.
Say it again.
I love you, Chico.
What are you going to say slow? I.
Love you. That doesn't mean kisses, Chico. He knows what it means. Jessie. Don't you up there, honey? You'll fall down.
Honey, you will.
What did he say? Chico, don't fall down.
He said, don't you go up there, hon. You'll fall down.
Chico is up here.
Oh,
Did you
man.
hear him? Video?
Huh?
I told Chico, did you get it on video?
Yeah.
Don't